Hello students, my name is Krunal Patel. Welcome to Sri Chandra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to paper 4 deals with business of economics and business and commercial knowledge. There is lecture number 1 in relation to introduction to paper 4 of CA Foundation course. Now, we are discuss today syllabus of paper 4, which is bifurcated into two parts. Part 1, business and business economics, and second part, business and commercial knowledge. And then we will discuss section wise, chapter wise weightage of marks in examination. Now, first part of paper 4 contains weightage of 60 marks out of 100 marks. Same case, part 2 of paper 4 contain 40 marks out of 100 marks. Now, business economics. Now, as you seen, paper 4 name is business economics and business and commercial knowledge. Three hours paper contain 100 marks, which bifurcated into part 1 business economics 60 marks and part 2 business and commercial knowledge 40 marks. We will discuss full syllabus from ICAI study material. So, we will try to cover up each and every concept and topic of paper 4 with great understanding. Now, part 1, business economics. Objective: to develop an understanding of concept and theory is business economics and apply such concept and theory in simple problem solving. It is a very much interesting part. Now, what are the content to be studied under part 1 of business economics are as under. Firstly, we will discuss introduction to business economics. What is business economics? Nature and scope of business economics, basic problems of economy and role of price mechanism. Then theory of demand and supply. Most important and interesting part of business economics. Meaning and determinants of demand. Which factor determine the level of demand, and law of demand and elasticity of demand, price, income and cross elasticity, theory of consumers behavior, Marshallian approach and indifference curve approach, demand forecasting, meaning and determinants of supply, law of supply and elasticity of supply. In this chapter we will discuss demand theory and supply theory in details. Then move to chapter 3, theory of production and cost. Firstly, what is production and factors of production. Then law of production, the law of variable proportion and law of returns to scale produces equilibrium level. Then concept of cost, short run cost, long run cost, average cost, marginal cost, total cost, fixed cost and variable cost. Various types of cost, and we will discuss each and every type separately and combined together with comparative analysis. Then simple and interesting chapter, price determination in different market. Here we will discuss what is market, different types of market and price level in different markets. Various form of market like perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition and oligopoly market. Then price determination in this market, situations which tends to type of market. So we'll discuss each and every market in detail, and then we summarize as comparative of all of four market together for better understanding. Now, business cycles. These are apply in each and every business. Firstly, what is business cycle? Meaning of business cycles. Then various phase of business cycle, under which we are discuss stages of every business gone through while during its life. Features of business cycles. The causes behind this cycle. What are the reasons behind these cycles? So, here part 1 of business economics and business commercial knowledge, which contains 60 marks of weightage. So majority of marks and divided into 5 chapters. Now, part 2, business and commercial knowledge, which contain 40 marks. Business and commercial knowledge contain 6 chapters. Chapter 1, business and commercial knowledge introduction, under which we will discuss nature of business, profession and employment, objective of business, economic and non-economic factor or activities, form of business organization. Then chapter 2, business environment, types of business environment, micro environment, macro environment, then elements of micro environment, consumer or customer, competitors, organization, market, suppliers, intermediaries, then elements of macro environment, which are demographic, economic, political, legal, socio-cultural, technological, global environment. Chapter 3, business organization, overview of selected Indian and global companies. Here we will discuss some case study. In chapter 4, government policies for business growth. How government policy and strategy affect business policy strategies, business growth, continuation of business, going concern of business, etc. Policies creates conducive business environment such as liberalization, privatization, foreign direct investment, etc. Chapter 5, organizations facilitating business, under which Indian regulatory bodies like RBI, SEBI, CCI, IRDI, etc. and Indian Development Bank, IFCI, SIDBI, Exim Bank and NABARD. We'll discuss how these organizations facilitate business and industries. Chapter 6, Common Business Terminology. Finance, stock and commodities market terminology, marketing terminology, banking terminology, other business terminology. Various terms generally used in finance field, stock or commodities like share market and marketing, banking, chemicals, industry, metals, etc. We'll study so that we can better understand said industry. Here ICI will not has put note that students are expected to read at least one financial newspaper and one business magazine on a regular basis. They may also watch business channel to remain updated about developments related commercial world. So ICI expects from student that student has proper knowledge and updated with live economics parameters while facing paper 4 of CA Foundation course. Don't worry, we are also discuss some market news, economic news during our session of each and every topic and correlates research concept with that news also. Now, chapter wise weightage. As we discuss, part A of paper 4 business economics contains 60 marks. Now, individual chapter weightage are as under. Whole part A divided into 4 parts. Now you see, as I said, section 2, theory of demand and supply and theory of production cost are most interesting and most important part, as it contains 35 to 40% of weightage. In same case, First section weightage is 15 to 20%, which contains basic knowledge of business economics, basic theory, fundamental theories and fundamentals of business economics, some theory portion. Then section 2, theory of demand and supply, theory of production and cost, which includes some analytical parts, which we will discuss with the help of charts and various PPTs. So after that you have command on these two chapters. And section 3, price determination in different market. As we discuss different form of market, we will study each and every market, and then comparative analysis is to be done for better understanding, which also contains a good weightage. That means only one chapter contain 25 to 30% of marks. Under this chapter, you need to study and understand each market situation and which price to be set under each market and how determine that price for each market. That's it. And section 4, business cycles, which contain 15 to 20 marks. It's also a separate chapter, a separate topic. In a nutshell, part A of paper 4 having some analysis, theories less. Part 1 of paper 4 contains lesser theory and much analytical part and some practical aspect. So it becomes more interesting. Now we talks about part 2 of paper 4, which contains 40 marks, business and commercial knowledge, which contains 6 sections. Here all 6 section contains 15 to 18% average mark each. So here we will have to study each and every section with same importance. Here also some market oriented research and updates need to understand. Like we will discuss under section 3 some case studies, chapter 4 what is the foreign direct investment, section 5 some government organization to regulate business and facilitate businesses. Section 6 is a terminology or definition of some terms used in the market. Section 2 is deal with the environment, business environment, segregation of business environment into macro and micro environment, discussing micro environment and macro environment separately in detail. Now Wait a minute. Now we are discuss how we will study paper 4 of CA foundation course. We will try to study and understand each concept with my PPT, conceptual clarity, and analytical flowcharts and tables form, decision tree, etc. Then we move towards ICI study material for better and detailed understanding. Then we discuss some past examination question and question can be asked in further examination, but it's a three-phase study. First phase conceptual, second phase ICI study material, third phase question and answer. For each and every topic we discuss these three phases. Then after you will have a command on paper 4 of CA foundation course. So no need to worry, study properly and with presence of mind during our session of lectures. If you put proper attention during our lecture, then it takes 1 hour to revise whole chapter. Then after, then think, if you pay proper attention and doing proper exercise and revising that day once, you need only 1 hour for each chapter. So paper 4 economics, which contains part 1 5 chapter, part 2 6 chapters, total 11 chapters. So you need to study 11 hours for whole syllabus of paper 4 of CA foundation course. So on a day before examination, you will study whole subject between 11 to 12. Let's take 12 hours. And you will have much time to solve and write papers of past examination or question to become settled with the ICA pattern. Now, from next lecture onwards, we will start with part 1 of paper 4 that contains business economics, which contain 5 chapters. I will also provide some summary charts and revision material to you before your examination so that you can revise entire syllabus of paper 4 within some hours during day before examination, which gives you a comprehensive subject knowledge with all concept clarity. It is not contain each and every lines of ICA module. It is a summary or compact revision material which contains all concepts of ICI study material. So firstly, so at the time of first study, you cannot depend only on revision materials. You need to study with me ICI study material first, then and only then you can jump to revision or concept or summary notes which will be provided to you soon. If you not consider study material of ICI and study summary notes only, then we can't help you to crack paper 4 of ICAI Foundation. But don't worry, please pay proper attention during our session and revise half an hour to 1 hour daily at your home. Then you have much understanding and knowledge to complete your entire syllabus within some hours or a day. After completing our syllabus, you have a command over the subject, so don't worry about it. So lastly, we'll conclude with the weightage part and then we will meet next lecture to start a topic, namely part 1 business economics, which contains 60 marks. Contains 60 marks. We are taking separate topic and conclude as soon as possible all the topics with better understanding. Firstly, next lecture onwards, we will discuss nature and scope of business economics. It is a small topic, but need to understand before starting other chapter of business economics, as here we will discuss what is business economics, nature of business economics, scope, basic problem of economy, capitalized economy, socialist economy, mixed economics, etc. So after gaining some basic understanding and knowledge of business economy, we will move forwards to a third chapter of part 1, namely business economics. Part chapter 2 is most important and interesting. Likewise, chapter 3 and 4 also important, and there is a separate chapter, namely business cycle, chapter 5. So don't worry students, we will study and conclude each and every topic with, with, with good understanding and conceptual clarity also, with practicals and question and answer of each and every topics. So you can easily correlate each aspect with its fundamental importance and question and answers. Thank you friends.